guys, what's up? So I'm with Grace today and we're at her house in her kitchen and we're going to do something really fun today. One of the little girls in our church heard that I've made videos and she was like, you guys need to film a slime video. So I've gone online and I found a recipe for fluffy unicorn slime and we are going to try and make it. We've never made slime before. We don't know how this is going to go, but hopefully you guys enjoy. So I'm going to take my ring off so I don't get slime on my ring. And we'll get started. What do we need first? 2/3 cup of Elmer's glue.
I better pour this, you'll spill it out.
Grace says I can't pour, so up to here. We're going to try and be really careful not to make a mess with this. Because, you know, we don't have to clean it up. So that's going to go in the bowl. I don't know if your mom's going to be very happy.
You realize how many spoons she has?
You sure?
Positive.
Alright.
And they come clean.
So we are going to put all of this in the bowl first. We need to wash this stuff like right away.
Yep.
Hopefully all this comes clean because then we can use it again. I'm assuming it will. So after the glue, we need a teaspoon of baking soda.
Go ahead and wash those.
Yeah. Well, wait till the video. We'll wash them. We need a teaspoon of baking soda, which we just put in. A 1/4 cup of water, which I've already measured out. Then we need 2 to 3 cups of shaving cream. The more we add, it says the fluffier it'll be. So 3 cups, do 2 cups, and then we'll add another cup. This is not the fluffy shaving cream, but I'm thinking it'll get fluffy, so we should be good. I don't know how long it'll take to like fill these cups.
It really looks weird. Clouds. It smells good.
I might like fluff it up a little bit as you do that, just to, because this is the one that gets fluffy as you like do this. Yeah, see? Look, that's 2 cups. Stop right there.
It's like it anyway.
Really?
Mm-hmm. There's like a little bit left.
Okay. We'll have to see if we can get another cup out of that. So we're going to add all of this in here. Getting as much as I can. I think this is going to be kind of blue because I got like a blue gel, but you know. So you can get like 1 more cup out of it. Can't even see the cup. Is anywhere going to come out?
Slightly, but it's coming.
We might need our other thing of shaving cream. I thought there would be way more in these. Maybe it's just the gel. Oh, I think we have 3 cups. Almost there. I'm getting it like all over my hands, but that's why I took my ring off. I think we have about 3 cups there. So I'm going to take this all and put it in here. What do we need next?
1.5 tablespoons of contact lens solution.
Try not to get at least shaving cream.
1.2, 2.5, 1.5. Oh no, we got to put another one.
Well, it's 1.5.
So
So you
1.5 teaspoons.
1 tablespoon and then do half of it after that. We're learning how to do measurements while we're at it.
I'm bad at school.
So I'm gonna start like stirring this.
So one of these and a half.
Yeah, do 1 whole one and then half.
It smells good.
It's supposed to like react with the glue, I think, to make the slime. What does it say to do next? I'm assuming stir.
Important. Your brand of contact
Yeah.
lens solution, blah blah blah.
We need the food
Liquid
coloring.
food coloring.
What color do you want to make it? Do you want to do like multicolor or just the 1 color? Because we're gonna have to separate it to do multicolor. I don't have enough bowls for us to do
Yeah, let's
multicolor,
just do
so
one
let's just do
color.
one. Let's do bright pink.
I was about to say that.
Unicorn slime needs to be pink. Let's see how it reacts to this blue. I don't know how much you're supposed to put, so.
We're gonna put a lot.
Oh, it might be purple actually. I think
Ooh,
I'm gonna have
that's pretty.
purple.
It's more. Oh well, that's pretty dark. Oh, that's pretty.
What does it say next?
Add your glue.
Yeah, it says add all the stuff we added.
We did.
We did it. We made the purple.
Knead it with your hands.
Oh boy. This is where it's gonna get messy. Ah, it's sticky. Try to get like all this weird.
Is that what it says?
I think you have to. It's really, really sticky. What does it say? We can add anything to make it less sticky?
It says we add in a tablespoon, knead for 5 minutes, and then add the
5
half
minutes.
tablespoon.
Dang it, we have to knead it for 5 minutes. Well, while I knead this for 5 minutes,
Well then, you can have that.
I guess I'll do the kneading. You can wash it off your hands.
Yes, I will.
And we will be back to show you how it looks in 5 minutes. Okay guys, so this is really liquidy, so we're just going to keep adding contact solution because that's what it says to do. So it seems like the more we add, it's starting to form. So I'm just going to keep kneading in the contact solution and hopefully we will eventually get a nice consistent slime. This is actually much harder to do than I thought it would be. I thought we just like throw some stuff together, it would like mix.
Yeah.
Try that like a little bit more, I think. This is like what we've got right now, you guys. It's just like really, really liquidy. Thank you. I'm just like trying to knead it and mix it as much as I can. It's getting much better the more stuff we add. Like I can kind of like mix it now. So I think if we keep adding, it might form.
It's working on it.
Yeah, it's getting there. So technically we haven't kneaded it for 5 minutes. Yeah, I think we're close.
Yeah.
So maybe a little bit more of that. We're getting there. It's really sticky, but we are getting there. We're adding probably like a lot more time than we're supposed to, but like it's working, so who needs instructions?
That's much better.
Yeah, it's really starting to form now. It's very, very sticky, but it is forming. I think we just need a lot more contact solution.
Yeah. Need some more?
Yeah, I think so. We're almost there. We're getting slime. I think that might get us slime. I can't tell you guys how much we've added.
A lot.
A lot. Like a whole lot.
Like a lot. Probably like half a cup.
At least. It's very bubbly. I can like pick it up and knead it now though, and it's not completely falling through my hands. So we've definitely made progress with it. As you can see though, this is my current situation. I think maybe a little bit more. We don't want to make it too hard. It said if you add too much, then it won't be stretchy. But like we want it so we can actually pick it up.
Yeah, and play with it.
Yeah, this isn't so far where I can do that.
It'll get all over everything.
Mind you, this is how I ended up with slime in my back seat from a kid.
Oh.
We're getting there though. I can pick it up now. I still think we need a little bit more formation though. I feel like we're going to add too much and it's not going to work, but you know, we're not planning on playing with it very long, so.
Yay!
I think we have slime. We have slime. It's so sticky, but we have slime. Goodness.
It's really sticky.
It's a very sticky slime. I don't know if we can get it any like thicker or not. Do you think it can go thicker?
Yeah.
Let's add some more contact solution. Alright, let's see if that'll work. One more.
Well, it's sticky.
You know what? We have slime though. You know what? We've got it. We've got slime.
It's sticky.
It's super sticky. It's going to get everywhere. I recommend if you make this, make sure your parent helps you so you don't ruin their house. This is quite fun though. Okay, I'm going to go and wash my hands and then I will show you the finished product up close. Okay guys, so I'm going to give you like an up close shot of this. It is so sticky. Grace just said she figured out if you rub your hands together, it starts to come off. So that's really cool. Yeah, this is our slime. It's like super, super sticky. There's a shot of Grace's hands if I can focus. Yeah, it's like everywhere. But like, isn't this cool, you guys? Like, seriously.
It's really cool.
And like, look at it stretch. Like, look at that, you guys. It's so cool. Okay guys, so this, as you just saw, is like our finished product of slime.
It's not bad.
It's quite fun.
It doesn't come out.
It doesn't come out. It's very fun to play with. Like, you can like pull some of it out and just kind of squish it around. You can do this in different colors. You would just need a different bowl. It actually ended up forming quite well in my opinion. We made it a little not stretchy.
Yeah.
With the amount of stuff we did, it's kind of stretchy. Like, it
but
breaks.
We just didn't want it.
We just didn't want it sticking all over us, and because we're not like little kids, we weren't worried about it.
Yeah.
Obviously, if you don't want it to be sticky, the thing said don't add too much contact solution. Like if you want it to stretch more. But this was quite fun to make, honestly. And it just, if you just rub your hands together, it kind of comes off. So yeah, like we really enjoyed making this. If you guys enjoyed this, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And we will see you guys later. I think we're actually going to go and make another thing of slime, so you guys should be looking out for that. And we'll see you guys later. Bye, guys!
Put your hands together.
Okay, guys, so we took a few-minute break as we were setting up for a new video we were about to film. And this is actually set up quite well. What did you do to it?
I just put a fourth of a teaspoon more of baking soda in it, and I hit it a lot.
And now
it's really fluffy.
It is really fluffy. It doesn't stick quite as bad. And it's just like really cool to play with. Like, it's like legit slime. Let me see if I can get it to focus. There we go. Yeah.
And then it doesn't come
This is just like really fun. So we're quite enjoying this. And yeah. It's just like really cool.